Okay, so guys, hold on, I'm changing this a little bit. This is,
Please don't put more problems.
well, first of all, change that to 3 through 20, okay? 20. Now, you guys, number 4, 6, and 20 look a little bit different than we've seen before, so I want to kind of tell you how to do those derivatives, okay? So, like, if you look at number 4, it says S of t equals 2 over t plus 1, alright? Well, we haven't done a derivative like that before, but what we're going to do is we're going to treat that denominator, we're just going to treat it like one big variable. So you can rewrite this how you normally would do a rewrite for something, for an x on the bottom. We can rewrite this as 2 times t plus 1 to the negative 1, right? Just like rewriting an x from the bottom, you write it to the negative 1. Okay, so now you just treat this whole thing like one big variable, like one big x or something. Okay, you don't, and then you do what you normally would do for the derivative for that. So you derive that. So you would take, v of t in this case would be negative 2, and then you leave this, just leave this the way it is, and the exponent would have to go down to negative 2. Okay, and that would be your velocity. So same thing on number 6. You're gonna, that's a square root, so you want to rewrite that. Okay. Now this doesn't always work. It does on these problems because the t is by itself. There's nothing with it. If there was a 3t or a t squared or something in there, that's a different story, and you'll learn that actually next year. Okay, that's a little bit harder to do. But when it's just like, no, you'll get it. You'll get it next year. So rewrite those first, okay, and then with an exponent, and then you can do the derivative from there. All right. I also want to say real quick on some people had some questions here. So on 3 through 6, that's all you're doing is doing the derivative and then plugging in the number they give you, the time. All right. 7 through 10. It just says to look at that graph and estimate what the slope of the tangent line would be at a particular point. Okay, so you're just estimating. Look at the graph, pretend there's a little tangent line on it, and estimate what the slope of that is.
Oh, estimate?
Yeah. No. So now listen, 11 through 14. Don't worry about the directions they have on there. Okay, don't worry about the directions on 11 through 14. Just do the derivative and plug in the x. And that will give you the slope of the tangent. So don't worry about all this stuff they say on the directions there. Do the derivative, plug in the x. Okay, and then that's good. So yeah, so that's all you need to know for that. Okay, go ahead and get started on that.